Hi everyone, Hunter Dean here. I'm the Vice President of Production Operations here at ASEA. Earlier this year, we gave you a sneak peek into some of the important research we've been doing. Dr. Andrea Borges and her team do an amazing job directing the research on redox signaling molecules with our university partners around the world. We conducted some research this year with the University of Bath in England and the University of Western Sydney in Australia. The Nrf2 pathways in our studies were increased in activity by 40 to 60%. These are huge numbers when you consider that the Nrf2 pathway is one of the principal tools that your body has to combat inflammation. The Nrf2 pathway combats inflammation by producing protective proteins like glutathione. These protective proteins are like your team of security guards protecting you from the outside threats and stresses of the world. These results are absolutely amazing. Nrf2 is an extremely important pathway in maintaining your health and wellness in a world where we're exposed to stress thousands of times a day. But I want to emphasize one thing, is that the Nrf2 pathway is only one of dozens and dozens of important pathways that redox signaling molecules improve and benefit. ASEA is currently working on research projects with university partners around the world to investigate these alternate pathways in which your body can be benefited from the supplementation of redox signaling molecules. ASEA is committed to its vision of being the global recognized leader in redox signaling molecules and cellular health. Thank you so much.